Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, August 21st, 2026. I hope you're doing well. I know that it's been a while since I've done a video. I think my last video was August 7th that I did, so it's been a couple of weeks. But I just wanted to shoot one really quick while I'm off to the soap shop and let everyone know that I'm still here. I'm still showing up every day. We're working really hard on building Main Island soap and taking that to the next level. And I just thought I'd do a quick video. And one of the things I really want to talk about, which I came up in my reading today, this morning, I'm reading a book called Titan by Ron Chernow, and it's an excellent book. Ron's an excellent author, but this is the life story of John D. Rockefeller Sr. And the Rockefellers actually have a lot of ties to where I live here up in Maine, with Acadia National Park and everything. So it's just a really awesome book. But anyway, I was reading today, and it was talking about how when John's father paid for him to go take some classes back in the day, all right? And they didn't have the money for him to go to college because his father was a little shady and needed the money for other things. So he agreed to pay for John to go and take some courses, and the courses were about bookkeeping and accounting and, financial courses. So when John was done with taking the courses, he went and, he was out looking for a job. Well, he went for 6 days a week for 6 weeks straight before he got hired. So 6 days a week, all day long, every day, he was going out there and going into, different retail businesses, wholesale businesses, different establishments in the area where he was, and it took him 6 weeks to find a job, to get hired. And he finally got hired. He became a bookkeeper, and that started his, sorry, this lady pulled right out in front of me. So it started this, it started his career, all right? He became a bookkeeper. He decided that he wanted to become wealthy, and the story goes on from there. But the whole point of it is that he reflects back on, there's a part in the book where he says, I often wonder what would happen if I didn't stick with looking for a job for those 6 weeks, if he gave up. And it's so true in business and anything in life. If you really want something, you have to show up. If you really want to build your online business or brick and mortar business or make money from home, whatever it is whatever it is that you're doing, if you don't show up and take action and stay consistent, you're never going to build an empire. You're never going to build an empire. And that's one of the reasons I read these types of books, is because you learn so much about what it is that these business magnates go through to get to where they ended up, to have the ultimate success that they had and to build these huge empires. Because most people today, and I can talk to you because for the first 10 years I did this when I was trying to build my online businesses, is that I would jump from program to program to program. And I'd make a little money here and a little money there, but it was never enough to quit my job or anything like that. And I wasn't able to quit my job until I started focusing on one business day after day after day after day. And that's what I did, right? And then that one business grew into several businesses. And now, we've always shown up since, at our soap shop. But, just earlier this year, we were talking about maybe exiting it and selling the company. Because you start doing something for a while and it gets, it just becomes a routine, and there was no, I don't want to say passion, but you kind of sometimes lose interest in things. And now that we have a grandson, it's like he sparked our whole outlook on everything. And we talked about it, and we're like, we are foolish if we give up our soap company. If we sell this soap company, because it has so much more potential. And so we've been putting in massive amount of work to take it to the next level. And it's been really fun and exciting. But the whole point of this video is that if you're not showing up every day and taking action and staying consistent, you're never going to build an empire. All right. If you don't have the mindset or the motivation or willpower to show up, and you give up on yourself too quickly, you're never going to build anything that's worth anything. Ever. I mean, that's just a fact. All these books that I read about these business people that have built empires, they all have one thing in common, and that's consistency. They stay consistent. When things suck, they still go and do the work. When things are awesome, they recognize that and they don't take it for granted, and they still go and do the work, right? I mean, you look at people like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett and, Steve Jobs when he was alive, and all these business, Elon Musk, all these people could go and retire and just live the rest of their life doing whatever they want every single day, not worry about work and all the headaches that come with running and owning a business and operating a business. But they don't do that. They show up every day. They still show up every day. And when Steve Jobs was alive and when he was ill, he was still working. He was still showing up. Right? So you have to show up. You have to take action. And if you're starting a business, or if you've been working a business and you're not getting the results that you want, you have to take a look at yourself and see if you are really truly putting in the work that it takes to be successful when it comes to building a business. And most of you are not doing that. And how do I know that? Because I've worked with hundreds and thousands of people over the last 20 years, and I see the same thing in 99% of people. They join an opportunity, or they start their own business, and they get really excited about it for the first few weeks to a month. And then when they're not making the money that they think they should be making, they go and they quit, and they give up on themselves. And and then they go and start another program, or they start another business, and it's just the same cycle over and over and over again, and they never get anywhere. And that's why when it came to our soap company, we were like, you know what, we've been doing this this is our 8th year, it's our 9th summer. And we've taken it from, when we bought the company, the lady who had it, it was more of a hobby for her. And we've taken this and we built it up into, we rebranded everything. We're in, dozens of wholesale, retail locations in New England. We have a really great online business. We have, our soaps in hotels and bed and breakfast and Airbnbs. And it's just a really great thing. And we've been doing this, full time since 2018. And we're like, we have a really good business. We could sell it. We could go and buy an RV. And then we were thinking, why would we sell a company that's been around since 1984? It was started in 1984. And just sell it and enjoy the money for a little bit when we could just put some more work and effort and energy into it and take it to the next level. And that's what we're doing. And that's why I haven't been making a lot of videos, is because I've been here doing all kinds of things, to grow this company. And it's been really fun and exciting, and I'm learning a lot of things that I didn't know about business. So the whole point is just show up every day, take massive action, stay consistent, and even when times are not very good or you're doubting yourself, keep going. You just got to get through it. It's adversity. You have to just get through it and not give up on yourself. And the people that don't give up on themselves and the people that stick with it, even when times are hard, are the ones who come out at the top. Those are the ones that come out at the top. And there's only a few people that come out at the top because there's only a few people in the world that are willing to go on the roller coaster ride of entrepreneurship and go through the ups and downs, the highest of highs and the lowest of lows. And it could hit back, one day it could be really great, and the next day it could be, you're just like, you get sucker punched, and the winds are knocked out of your sails. But the people that make it are the ones that get back up and they just keep going and going and not giving up. Those are the people that make it. Those are the people that Ron Chernow writes about. And those are the people that we see on TV and the ones that they make movies about. The Jeff Bezos, like the people that I talked about, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, all of these business people, these are the people that no matter what, they didn't stop. You know, even Donald Trump, they all just keep going. And they're machines. And they know what they're worth, and they know that the way to get to the top is by keep going, and every time you get knocked down, you get back up, you get knocked down, you get back up, and you keep going, and you keep going, and you never stop. You don't stop until you get to the top. And then the people at the top, they still don't stop. And that's how you build legacy, that's how you build generational wealth, and that's what the Rockefellers did. All right? Especially John D. Rockefeller Sr. So don't ever give up on your dreams. Make sure you're doing something you're truly passionate about, and just go for it every single day. And know that even when times are tough, if you persevere and stay persistent and consistent and get through it, you can get to the top too. All right. So I know that was just kind of a rambled video. I didn't really have anything set to do, but I had a few minutes and I thought I'd shoot a video for today. But I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Take care. I hope you're all doing well.